everyone. Now we are going to present our project. Our project is about Project Fans of Futsal. This project is under subject Economy of Welding and Procurement BMMK 3144. This project presented by me, Muhammad Dini Zulaiman bin Zulkarnain, Moizuddin Zarfan bin Muhammad Zakwan, and Muhammad Rizwan bin Saini. Introduction. So for this project, we requested a futsal fence from our client. We designed and replaced the fence of a futsal court located in a residential area for this project. Thus, the old futsal fence must be replaced with a new futsal fence. Otherwise, it will become a hazard to those who use the futsal court. As a result, our team went to the resident to measure the futsal fence. Finally, we determined the most appropriate design and measurement as well as the cost for this futsal fence based on the client request. This project encompasses the entire process from the material selection to final product and cost. Okay, so this is our project objective. First, to identify the welding cost or revenue involved in this project. Second, record the transaction in Journal of Final Account. And the last one is to prepare a video presentation. Okay, for product costing, we do all together is 12 units of futsal fence. So for the material, the first one, angle bar. So we buy 12 units and the total price is 600. And flat bar, 12 units also, and the total price is 192 ringgit. And the last one is the grill, 12 units, and the total price for grill is 1,620 ringgit. So for all together, the total price is 2,412 ringgit. Okay, for the machine and equipment cost table, first we use MIG welding set 1 unit and the price is 1,000 ringgit. Small portable welding set 1 unit and the price is 600 ringgit. And cut-off saw machine 1 unit 250 ringgit. And grinder 2 unit and 90 ringgit per unit. So for the total price of machine and equipment we use are 2,030 ringgit.
Okay, now I will explain about consumable tool cost table for our fans of futsal project. And the first one is welding electrode. We buy one box and the price is 26 ringgit. The second one is carbon dioxide cylinder gas. For the gas, we just refill it and it costs 200 ringgit. The third one is disc cutter. We buy one piece for disc cutter. The cost is 13 ringgit. The fourth one is grinding disc. We buy for one box and it costs 21 ringgit. Lastly, we buy spray color, 8 pieces and price per unit is 9 ringgit. Alright, total cost for consumable tools is 332 ringgit. Alright. Okay, now I will explain about welding cost. This is our welding data sheet we got from our machines data. And all we got 13s, and the first one is current. The data input is 60 ampere, and the second one is voltage 30 volts. The third one lap joint length about 2 meter weld length. The fourth one is overhead charge 80% of direct charge. The fifth one connecting ratio is 0.4. And the sixth one and the sixth efficient of welding 0.5. 7 electrode rate RM 4 ringgit per kilo. And 8 labor rate is RM 25 ringgit per hour. Next one is 9 electrode use and meter of well about 1.4 kilogram, and well 10 is welding time is about 8 minutes. And welding speed is 6 amp per hour, and 12 is power rate is rm 3 ringgit for kilowatts, and 13 lastly labor accomplishment factor 70%. Thank you. Okay, now this is our welding design area drawing, and this, as you all can see, this is our welding symbol, and this is our project face of futsal design, and each symbol it is a well area to well. All right. Okay, now this is our total welding cost thing for the fence of futsal. The first one is cost of power consumed by meter run of well is Rm 3 ringgit 60 cents. Number two, cost of labor by meter of well length is 6 ringgit. Number three, cost electrode by meter of well is 2 ringgit 80 cent. Number four, total direct cost by meter of well Rm 12 ringgit 40 cent. And number five, overhead charge by meter of well is 9 ringgit 90 cent. And number six is total charge of welding 1 meter length of joint Rm 22 ringgit 30 cent. And seven, total charge of making weld joint is Rm 44 ringgit 60 cents. Okay, now for the total welding cost for our fence of futsal project is Rm 44 ringgit 60 cents. Okay, now this is our total revenue of project fence of futsal project. The first one is fence of futsal. The client order us 12 unit, and for price per unit is 235 ringgit, and the total charge for 12 unit is 2,820 ringgit. And the second one is delivery. The delivery charge for from our company is 110 ringgit. The third one is installment. The first futsal at the resident area, and the cost is 150 ringgit. And the fourth one is service tax. Okay, our service tax we charge about 20 ringgit per hour service charge. Okay, for the total cost, our revenue fence of futsal project is 3,100 ringgit. Okay, now this is our record of transaction in journal. Transaction in journal hardstay welding service. On the 1st March 2021, we bought 3 unit machine and equipment about 2,030 ringgit, paying up 1,330 ringgit cash, and the balance is on the account is about 700 ringgit. Okay, the second one is on the March 2021. We pay in advance rental from prior from 1st March 2021 to 1 May 2021 in amount of 6,000. And the third one, on the 5th March 2021, we received project fence of futsal service for cash 3,100 ringgit. And the fourth one, on the 6th March 2021, we bought various supply inventory for cash of 2,744 ringgit. And lastly, on the 31 March 2021, we pay salary to welder for the month of the March 2021 is Rm 1,500. Okay, for the total cost, the bid is 50,374 ringgit. And for the credit, total cost is 50,374 74. Okay, that's all for our record of transaction in journal. Okay, now this is our cash in bank tables. And for, in particular, debit is survey income, and the total for the debit is 3,100. Okay, next is particular on credit. About four type credit we doing for this month, and for the total credit is 12,274 ringgit. Okay, by the end of this project, Fans of Futsal, our team learn how to calculate the wearing cost. Our team learn to estimate cost charge of making well join, and for the revenue project, Fans of Futsal, our team identified the total cost also profit in for this project. Next, the record transaction in journal. Our team learn the date of a transaction, which is account we affect, and the amount usually in, and also the length of the account, final account. Our team learn the collection of account, in which account transaction are recorded by record transaction as either a debit or credit in separate columns, and the ending or closing balance. Okay, lastly, thanks to our lecturer, Sir Harizal, for teaching us and educating us, our team, to us learning the subject economic of welding procurements. Thank you.